viewers from Philippines and welcome to my channel. Minasan, konnichiwa! Hello everyone! I am back once again for another music reaction video, and this time I am reacting first time to Zoo to their song called Choo Choo Train. So without further ado, let's play the video. Very nice music. Oh, it's a dance group. Wow guys, it's very nice. I think this is a dance group, and then at the same time they have a lady, a female vocalist, and her voice is really nice, and she's also dancing while singing. Wow, that's really nice. They also do backing vocals. Nice song guys. I love the beat. It makes me sway and dance, and also some of the dancers are also doing backing vocals. Wow, they're so talented. Very good in dancing. Choo Choo Train by Zoo. This is my very first time listening to you guys, and I love Choo Choo Train. I love the beat, the melody is very nice, and you're a dancing group. I love it. You're dancing at the same time. There's one female vocalist. Her voice is really cool. I have an information here about the Zoo. Zoo was a J-pop band formed in 1989. They debuted with a single Careless Dance on 5th of May 1990. They had one major hit with the song Choo Choo Train, released on 7th of November 1991. Their members are Tako, leader of Zoo, dancer; Satsuki, lead singer; Sae, dancer; Hiro, dancer, leader of Exile; Cap, Luke, dancer; Mark, dancer, now a member of Running Man Tokyo; Naoya. And former members were Hisami, instructor, now a member of Running Man Tokyo; Mami, and then Yuki, singer, now a member of TRF. So the female lead singer is Miss Satsuki, right guys? Wow, and then the rest are dancers. Wow, I love your group. You're so good in dancing and very entertaining. And then Choo Choo Train is the fourth single released by Zoo. The title track was used as an opening theme for the TV Asahi show Club Dada, for the TV Asahi show Karei ni Aso, and as a theme song for the JR East Japan ski commercials. Many artists would later cover the song, including Exile, J Takehiko, Mizuno Manabe, Village, and Tiara. So the single reached number 3 on the Oricon charts and charted for 32 weeks, selling 1,050,000 copies. Wow! And the lyrics was written by Sato Arisu, music by Nakanishi Keizo, and arranged by Iwasaki Yasunori. It's a very nice song. I love the beat. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Zoo, for that very nice song and dance performance. And guys, thank you also for watching with me. I'll see you on my next video.